how to show or hide the camera control to add photos and videos to the share library on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. From Settings, tap on your Apple account name. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Then tap on Photos. After that, we scroll down and tap on Share Library. Now in here, tap on Sharing from Camera. Then tap on Sharing from Camera. Tap on our toggle button to switch it off. Here you can see if I turn it off, that camera control button will be removed. If I switch it on and go back to my camera, I have that button that allows me to quickly switch between my personal library or share library. So if I wish to share these pictures with my added participants, then I can take a shot and it will be automatically be shared to that or to those participants. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.